Everyone, welcome to WebTech Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how to delete comments on TikTok. Before moving on, if you have not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button to WebTech Tutorials for our helpful web tutorials and videos. Moving on today's topic, we get lots of comments on our TikTok videos by our friends and followers, and some comments might be not good and you don't want those comments to stay there in your comment section in your video. Some people might also comment bad things on your video. And if you want to delete it, then watch this video and learn the simple way just to delete the comment in your video. Simply go to your video and then just go to the comment button at the right side of the screen with three dots. Here's a comment. You just tap and hold the comment and you will get this option. Tap on the delete option. Therefore, the comment is easily deleted. It's very easy to delete a comment in your video. Therefore, in this way you can just delete a comment that you don't want to see in your video. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Thank you for watching our video till the end. Do like and subscribe to our channel WebTech Tutorials. Also hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. If you have any comments or questions, mention them in the comment section below.